the revolutionaries. During the early years following 1815, the fear of depression, the fear of depression drove many liberal nationalists underground. So the fear of depression means the repression, the fear of repression drove many liberal nationalists underground, because now the change of power we have seen. So the revolutionaries were targeted and they might attack them. So the revolutionary at this time meant commitment to oppose monarchical forms and to fight for liberty and freedom. So revolutionary meaning here itself, it stands for fighting, opposing the monarchic form and fight for liberty and freedom. So Giuseppe Mazzini, in some books it is Joseph Mazzini, it is Giuseppe Mazzini, was born in Genova in 1807. He was the one, as you can see his picture on the screen, he became a member of a secret society of Carbonari. Many of them get confused here only. Many of them feel that Giuseppe Mazzini has initiated a secret society called Carbonari. No, he was the one who was a member who joined already existing secret society of Carbonari. So that one point we all need to remember very carefully. He was a member of Dash Secret Society. Carbonari is the answer. Then he was sent into exile in 1831 for his attempts, what he made to revolutionize or to break a revolt in Lingura region. So he was sent into exile. So what did Mazzini believe? Mazzini always believed that God has intended nations to be natural units of mankind. So he used to feel that the nations have to come naturally, and the secret societies were set up in Germany, France, Switzerland, and Poland. So for this, he gave the starting step. So he has set up the secret societies in Germany, France, Switzerland, and Poland. Looking at his growing popularity and the way he operates the things, Metternich once remarked him as one of the most dangerous enemy of our social order. One who can destroy our order is the revolutionary Giuseppe Mazzini. Giuseppe Mazzini, from very young age, used to dress himself only in black. Why? When they asked him why, he mentioned that my country is in sorrow, so I want to depict this by wearing the black dress. So he always used to feel about the unification of Italy. He wanted Italy to develop as a nation. That is the reason why he started to attempt revolutions in Lingura. He became a member of a secret organization. He then, as he was sent to exile, then he went to another countries, and there he started the secret societies. So he was the one who inspired many people, and he has clear vision that people are born free, so it should be given freedom and liberty for them. At the same time, no king can control different regions. He wants nations to be formed as natural units, what God has given, God has intended. So these are the views of our revolutionary Giuseppe Mazzini, who influenced many people later after him. So the key points about the revolutionary, you can make a note here. He is committed. Who is a revolutionary? That can be a one mark question. Their commitment to oppose the monarchical forms that had been established after the Vienna Congress. So we need to remember this one. So after the Congress of Vienna, they have created a lot of states, and they divided without any combination of the culture or identity, just to share the power. So that need to be remembered. So that went against the interests of the public. He was born, key points, was born in Genova in 1807, a member of the secret society of Carbonari. He founded the Young Italy movement in Marseilles and Young Europe in Bern. He believed in the unification of Italy into a republican state. So these are the key points